YouTube Shorts are the best way to explode your views on YouTube right now. They'll take your views to the moon like GameStop, AMC, Nokia, Dogecoin. But honestly, right now, YouTube Shorts are a huge opportunity to boost your views, get exposure to new viewers that haven't seen your content before, and grow on YouTube. So let's get started. So what are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts was YouTube's response to TikTok. YouTube saw a huge opportunity in the short form video space in India when TikTok was banned. And soon, YouTube Shorts will be pushed heavily in the United States. At least that's what rumors are saying. You might have seen the short shelf whenever you're on the YouTube app or on YouTube itself. It's a small area on YouTube where they're pushing short form content like that you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels. So how do you create YouTube Shorts? You have to have a vertical video. It has to be under 60 seconds long, and you have to put hashtag shorts in your description of the video. Those are the only requirements. Anybody can create YouTube Shorts. The only requirements are those: vertical format, 60 seconds or less, and hashtag shorts in the description. Now, whether or not that content gets pushed to the shelf is up to YouTube and the algorithm. Unlike TikTok, when you release a short form video and that content is immediately pushed to the For You page, they analyze how that content does immediately and decide to push it more and more within the first 48 hours or so of you releasing that content. YouTube Shorts is a little bit different. You're not going to see immediate results. You're going to have to wait a couple weeks, up to a month, to see how that video starts to perform. So how can you be successful releasing YouTube Shorts? Well, the first thing is to create an entirely new channel for your YouTube Shorts content. Some YouTubers are having success pushing out shorts on their main channels, although the vast majority are starting their own channels specifically for shorts. The reason is shorts content will bring down your average view duration across your entire channel. Now, that doesn't have a huge impact, but it does have a little bit of an impact with the YouTube algorithm. Another thing is YouTube Shorts might confuse your audience on your main channel. It's not long form content, it's short form content. So if you have an audience who is loyal and used to seeing your YouTube videos that are 8 to 12 to 15 minutes long, and they see a 30-second video that you just released, they're gonna be a little confused, and that might cause them to unsubscribe. On the flip side, if your short form content explodes and you get thousands, hundreds of thousands, up to millions of views on your YouTube Shorts, then you're gonna have a new audience that's just used to your short form content. They're probably not gonna watch your longer form content when you start to release it. That can mess with your click-through rate, and that can have a bigger impact on your YouTube channel than you can even imagine. I was recently in a Clubhouse chat room with YouTube experts. Some of these YouTube content creators had over 1 million subscribers. Mr. Beast was actually in this chat room, and the consensus across all of these creators was the shorter the duration of your YouTube Shorts, the better. They're saying that 15 seconds is that sweet spot right now. YouTube is pushing shorter content around 15 seconds more than it's pushing longer YouTube Shorts. That said, you can still create up to 60 seconds worth of content in your YouTube Shorts. If you really want to be successful with YouTube Shorts, keep in mind, like I said at the beginning of this video, that YouTube Shorts is YouTube's response to TikTok. So what you can do is go to TikTok, study what is working, see what's getting the views, getting the likes, getting pushed to the For You page on TikTok. Take those ideas, take those video concepts, how those videos are structured, and make it your own. Create your own version of what's doing well on TikTok, bring it to Shorts, and it will be successful. You just gotta be patient, but also be consistent, and you will have success with YouTube Shorts. Another way to make sure that people are watching your shorts and to increase the chances of your shorts exploding on YouTube is to create a thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts. YouTube automatically generates a vertical thumbnail that will be seen on the short shelf. That said, when somebody's watching your YouTube content on the desktop and they see that vertical format with blurry sides thumbnail, and I'm gonna show an example because I'm not describing it well right now, they probably are not gonna click on that because it doesn't look good. So create a thumbnail for your shorts videos specifically for anybody watching your content on a desktop. The last piece of advice that I have for you on YouTube Shorts is to make sure that you're treating your YouTube Shorts content as a trailer. It should be 15 seconds, that's that sweet spot of value that you're showing your audience, encouraging them to go to your longer form content and watch those videos and subscribe to your main channel. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna go out there, you're gonna start creating YouTube Shorts. Vertical format, 60 seconds or less, and hashtag shorts in your description. You're gonna create a new channel specifically for shorts content. You're gonna keep that content at the sweet spot of 15 seconds. It's okay to go over, it's okay to go under, but that is the sweet spot. So the majority of your content should be at that sweet spot. You're gonna create thumbnails for all of your shorts videos, even though it doesn't show on the shorts shelf. If anyone's watching on desktop, it's gonna encourage them to click on those videos. It's gonna help with your click-through rate. It's gonna help with YouTube pushing your content out to more viewers. And you're gonna make sure that all of your YouTube Shorts act as a trailer to your longer form content. You're gonna encourage your viewers of your YouTube Shorts content to go to your main channel, subscribe to you, watch your videos, and that is how you're gonna use YouTube Shorts to explode your views and become successful on YouTube. What I need you to do before you go, one thing and one thing only, is to go out there and grow your brand, baby!